Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to insert a Nano SIM card and a micro SD card into the device. Press the power key, choose power off, and confirm again. Find the card slot located at the left edge of the device. Open it using a SIM eject tool or a paperclip. Remove the tray from the device. You can insert either 2 Nano SIM cards or 1 Nano SIM and 1 micro SD card. Place the Nano SIM card in the appropriate slot, then insert the micro SD card in the other slot. Carefully insert the tray back into the device. Unlock the device and check if the cards are working properly. Go to Settings, select Wireless and Networks, then Dual SIM Settings. The device should detect the SIM card. Go back and open storage to confirm the SD card is also detected. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.